I don't think people would be floating down this river a lot without him. And doing a bunch of leeches.
I mean, I could do that because right here you could definitely float.
Oh yeah, that'd be really nice.
On like a really hot day.
Kato!
Ella!
Kato!
Come!
Where's Reese?
Come! The only
Come
one
here.
listening.
Come here! Kato, come! Kato, come!
Come on!
Kato, come here!
Loba!
I hear him.
Good boy, Reese.
Only one listening.
Good. Reese, stay. Good boy.
You see him?
Good boy, baby. Good stay. Good stay, Reese cub. Good boy.
Reese.
You are so good. You are
That's why we don't let her, she does not listen.
You can train when you want to. You're a good boy.
You're a good boy just for not doing what they're doing. Where's Kato? Alright. Kato, come. Good boy. I know. He is a good boy. You sitting? You're a good boy. Come here, Leba. Leba, come. Come, Leba. Come, Leba.
I don't have anything behind. Oh.
Leba, come. Here.
Look, right here. This just peanut butter?
Yeah, peanut butter. They're dog treats.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, they're peanut butter. They've got nothing, no soy, no wheat.
Okay. I was going to say I thought it was cheap or something like that. Just like peanut butter chocolate.
Ella's over there.
Oh, look at Ella.
Give me
You
deep
got a
out.
better grip.
She does. Go get Ella, Kato. Oh no.
Right, I did.
Oh.
No, but oh.
Here, you want to be in charge of treats?
Lola, can you sit?
They're a little melted.
Are they really dog treats?
Yeah, peanut butter. They smell really good though. I'm half tempted
I know.
to try one.
I left in Atlanta. There was a farmer's market, and they made like homemade dog treats. So I bought a couple for like Elise sort of her dogs. And her husband came home and saw them on the table, and he's like, I was gonna stop cookies on the table. I was gonna try one. He's like, thank God I read the label before I put it in my mouth.
Oh my
Because I thought it was a
gosh.
cookie, and then I bet it was a dog treat.
Well, we had to do that at
Oh my
work.
God.
We had to write dog treats, even though it said Camp Bow Wow on it. Yeah, we had to label it a little bit more clearly because residents came in.
Oh
And
no.
they're like, hey, these are the worst cookies I've ever had. We just ate dog treats.
Ella.
That's what your problem is. Oh, okay, here's Loba. Good. So graceful.
She is graceful. Not like Kato's. Oh, uh-oh. Thank goodness. I thought I was going to have to go over there and get them.
Maybe even like Chris.
I know, but day, Chris.
Oh, good girl.
I guess Reese is tired.
Or she didn't tell him he could move.
Oh, he won't stay.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know how good he is, but he hasn't moved since you told him not to.
Ella's not a racist.
Kato's all
Good boy.
Good boy, Kato.
Oh my God. Hi, baby.
Hi, Reese. Oh my. You perverted dog, you. I called him a good boy. Here, Ella. Ella, you didn't get one yet. I know, but you your turn. Well, that's your thinking, because mine's over there, and I'm sure it's not doing so well inside that backpack.
Hi, baby.
I'm at the river.
I'm at the river.
And the dog. Actually pretty fun. We're getting messy and muddy and scratched up.
Go get Loba.
Huh?
Kato. Kato, come.
Ella, come on.
Kato, come here. Good boy. I'm gonna laugh my ass off. You wanna wet the water?
Alright, well, I'm trying to catch up to you guys if I can later. Alright. Hey, I guess you gotta wait till the weekday. You trying to call them back?
There's no trying safety anymore.
Alright.
Come on, guys.
Alright, bye.
I think next time I'll bring my water shoes and just walk upriver.
Yeah.
That would probably be a better idea than going back that way.
Yeah.
I'd rather walk down the river than go back that way.
Ella.
Kato!
Might have to do that. My shoes are already soaked. And
Yeah, I don't care. I mean, I just wish I would have thought to bring a bag, but I'll stuff them in my, I don't know, maybe Kim's got a good place.
Put them in the time to the rooftop.
Okay, you got a trunk.
I
Yay!
got a trunk. Most cars do.
Reese, Cub, you want to go swimming? Want to go play?
He's like, I'm tired.
Come on, baby. Good boy.
Those two are the bad ones.
Oh, they're quite the little pair. Well, if they're going to go make out somewhere. It's like, Mommy, I'm not a little kid anymore. Are those your socks?
Yeah.
Little mommy socks. Little mommy socks.
I mean, real funny if they take it and run. Be like, oh, he's so fast. Be like, okay. I bet you get in that pool now at the park, don't you, baby?
Yeah, you probably will.
Yeah. Go get your girl.
Oh, bug in my eye. Bug in my eye.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Gross.
Kato.
I really want to touch my
Go get Daddy Chris. Go get your Daddy Chris.
Go swimming.
I see Reese's tail. Come on. Hello, Bo. Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Big Dad, no. There's a shot. There's a shot.
I know.
Here, maybe I can get him behind you. Yep.
Whoa, puppy. Whoa, that is
Hey, get away from the bag. Yeah, there's your son.
Rinse them out and then let them dry
That's what I
out.
just did, yeah. Clearly rinsing didn't
There's Kimmy rinsing her socks.
Again!
Again!
Yeah, that's your fault.
Reese, you're such a good boy. I know. I know. It's just like trying to break it up. Those are my hiking treats, so they've been in my hiking bag,
Hey.
like when it's all hot in here and
I
everything.
guess I didn't think they melted today.
No, they've been in there because when they when they walk and stuff, or whatever, run around, you're not supposed to give them biscuits because they swell up and give them a tummy ache.
Oh.
And so you give them like meat or, you know, something that won't swell. Come here, Loba. Kato.
Ella, stay.
Where's Kato?
Right there.
Oh. Of course.
You have your keys in your pocket, do you?
No, they're my dad.
Kato Loba with the stick.
Nice.
Chrissy, you tired, baby?
Yeah, I know. I think he just wants the treats.
I will sleep here and be good.
Well, now they all want the stick. That's a good boy.
What'd you do? What'd you do? Get Chris on the camera when he trips.
Yeah. Country boy. Yeehaw.
Okay, let's sit down here, honey. Get Ella over there with you.
Is he peeing?
I don't think he's peeing. I think you would just go behind a tree. I don't know.
Oh!
Get Ella. Go, Ella. Go,
Oh
get
my
your daddy.
gosh!
Go save daddy. She's like, I'm not saving daddy.
Oh my gosh!
All right, you're going to jump off the rope now that you're wet.
I know. I'll have to do that.
Kato, come.
Ella.
Kato.
Loba. Ella.
Come on! Come down here! Cookies! Come here! Come!
Ella.
Kato, come!
You guys don't listen, do you?
Ella.
Ah, come on.
Here they come.
1, 2, 3. Reese is the only one being good today. Kato, go get Chris.
Back to my apartment.
That was City Boy!
Yeah, he's a city boy, huh? Here, Ella. Loba's like, I can do this just fine.
Yeah, I got this. Go get him, Kato! You know you want to go!
Go, Kato, go.
You know you want to go,
I know he
Kato!
does.
Look at him, he's looking at it. He's
He
like, I
does.
gotta go, I gotta go. I gotta go.
Chris, call Kato.
Kato, come on.
Go get Daddy Chris.
Here, Kato.
Ella swimming. Good girl, Al. Good girl. Good job.
Oh, that was wet.
Ella.
Ella, I don't think Mommy wants you doing that.
No, she's not allowed to do that, but she does do that.
Oh.
Don't matter right here, huh?
She'll get muddy, muddier. Ow! Ow! That's my foot! Please don't bite my calf.
You're getting beat up.
Oh, she's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
Go, Reese! Go, Reese!
Ella, you hurt mommy there.
Reach.
Go, over there. Treats are gone. Treats, you ate them all. Chris, please don't eat it.
I'm waiting. We're waiting, baby. We're waiting. Splash!
Reach.
Kato, you sit down here, honey.
Go get him.
Come here, Reese.
Go get him.
Kato.
Go get him.
Reese.
Chrissy, go get him.
He's tired already.
He just might be confused. Go get the stick. Go get the stick, Reese.
I know he wants to.
Go get it, Reese. Go get it. Go get it.
Come on.
Oh, butterfly.
Go, Mommy.
Good boy. Come on, go get it. Go get it.
Yay! Say, Mommy, I gotta swim upstream.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh my gosh. I don't even want to know what you're going to do with that. Oh, are you? I thought you were going to throw it. We are a hot mess.